Hey guys, I wanted to tell you on something. When you do a link exchange or a link removal, like I'm getting ready to do, if you look on the back of most watches, it'll mark it, especially on these pin type. And if you notice on the back when you look at the watch band, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's little arrows. Well, what it is the pin that holds this band together. The little pins are tapered, and you always want to make sure and put the pin in towards the arrow. So when you remove it, you want to push it out backwards from the arrow, and when you put the pin back in, you want to push the pin in, the tapered big end, towards the outside, so that when you push it in, that the taper's at the top where the arrow is. If you try to do that backwards, you'll tear up your pins. So always make sure when you're removing your bands, like I'm getting ready to show you, to always look and make sure that you're using the, look at the arrow there, that when you're pushing it out, you want to push it out against the arrow, because that means the pin goes in towards the arrow. So the taper is at the top there. So you want to push it out that way, and then when you put it back in, you want to go in that way. And make sure either keep the pins organized, or you can look at the pin and you can see it has a little bit of a taper on one end, and the larger part of the taper wants to go towards the arrow, or will be where it stops on the arrow. So you start with the small part of the taper in there, and the big part of the taper sets where the arrow's at. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Well, let's go ahead and get these links removed. Get my handy dandy little tool kit I bought off of Amazon, and go ahead and pull this link out. And the way you do that is you align that pin with the pin in the band, and as you can see, I just line it right up in that hole there, and then I just turn it, get it lined up in there, and it should then just push it out, which it's doing. As you can see, I just pushed that pin out. I'll just back it out. Okay. Right, like that. Boom. Easy peasy. See, we're going to take one link out. So I'm going to take this link out here. Screw that in. And there comes out the pin on the second link. Easy peasy. Then you just pull the pin out like so, and there's my link out. And all you do is you match up your band, take your pin, put your pin back in the hole, line her back up, work her in. We'll just tap her in, just like so. Now let's see what we got. This should be just about right. And I left my micro adjustment on the other side, so oh yeah, that's perfect. There you go, guys. And we'll go ahead and put that extra link in the box, as well as the extra watch pin, band pin. Instructions in there. Yeah, these little tools right here, just about gotta have that to do that band without damaging something. So anyway, could almost do another link and move the other out. I'm almost tempted to do that, and then move that piece back out there so that I have an even amount of links missing on each side. I'll debate about that. It feels pretty good the way it is, but anyway, there you go, guys. Guys, I went ahead and removed another link, so I'm now taking two links out of it. I just, one thing, I like it for them to be balanced, so I went ahead and took another link out of there. That way I have, it worked out to where it's perfect that way, because I had it all the way in to tighten it, and it was just a little bit snug, or a little bit still loose. This way I can adjust, the micro adjust, and have the band. And also I like taking even links out if I can, so I think that should get me just about perfect now. I went middle on everything, so with two links out. So let's see what that gets me. Perfect. Yeah, I like that better. Yeah, I went ahead and took two links out, one on each side, and then I put my micro adjuster in the middle, so that, you know, I get fat or skinny, I can use the micro adjuster to do that part. And yeah, that works good. Anyway, guys, have a great day. This is Electron Man. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click that little bell too so that you know when I have new upcoming videos coming out.